Welcome to the really simple guide for using Ronseal 5-year Fence Life Plus Shed and Fence Protector. It protects your fence or shed for 5 years without any flaking or peeling. Just follow these 6 simple steps. Assess your surface. This product can be applied to rough, smooth and damp wood. Use a stiff brush to get rid of any mucky bits like dirt and cobwebs. Cover anything you don't want stained. Before you get started, give the paint a good stir. Load your brush, go with the grain, brush in any drips. Give it 4 hours to dry and repeat. Simple. It's even shower-proof in 1 hour. Or, if you want to save time, our fence sprayer gets the job done 5 times faster. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.